In a world where colors danced in the air, a wise old tree spoke to the young saplings. "We are the guardians of life," it whispered. "Our roots hold the secrets of the earth." The saplings listened, their leaves rustling with excitement. "Every creature, big or small, plays a part in this grand symphony," the tree continued. "Without us, the world would lose its song." The saplings nodded, understanding their role in the delicate balance. "Together, we can protect this vibrant tapestry," the tree concluded. And so they stood tall, united in their mission to preserve the beauty around them.